Hi. What's up? Wow, you just all dog.
This is 2011 Blizzard. It was worse than 99.
And well, are you serious?
Yes.
They already helped, so we're taking.
See, in 99, I was able to actually dig my car out and actually get out. Here, you can't get out.
Was she born yet?
No. She wasn't even in the making yet.
How is that possible? She was born in 1999.
October.
Exactly.
I got pregnant in February. The storm was in January. Oh, God, you're so slow.
What are you doing out here?
Lucky Sam!
Baby.
Hi, my baby. Is my baby enjoying the snow? Is my baby enjoying the snow? These are mountains and mountains of snow. Hey, one day some people find my camera and see everything that happened.
Look at you, God. Oh my God, shake it off.
Yes, my dog is daring.
Yes, that's right. Shake it off. The dog bite?
No. My dog is all mouth. He just likes barking. That's it. Be careful. Don't hit him.
I didn't mean to. Oh my God, he's doing it. He's just jumping like that.
He's so cute, my baby.
Lucky! He's just making it easier for me. A new path.
Lucky Charms. Get over here. Lucky. 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 Get over here. Baby, come here. Get snow off his face. Get it off his face.
Oh my God.
Do you guys have nothing to say at all?
What's up?
Are you glad you're out of school?
Yes. No, I want to go back to school. I'm glad. I'd rather be doing this than being in school learning and falling asleep if I could.
Lucky. Lucky, I'm going to smack you. Get over here. This is my neighborhood. Everybody's trying to dig their way out.